Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2018 Land Rover Range Rover Sport Supercharged SUV. On the exterior of this Range Rover, we have lane departure warning technology, emergency braking system, and rain sensing windshield wipers. Inside you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated front seats, sliding panoramic roof, and a voice recognition system. The 12.3-inch touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth to keep you connected on the go. This one-owner 2018 Land Rover has less than 24,000 miles and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.